Good morning, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. Right, we have another new stock arrived this morning, a Vauxhall Astra GTC. Now, this is a top of the range model, comes with a 20-inch diamond cut alloys, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, tinted windows, rear spoiler, body kit. Let's have a look at the spec inside. Right, looking at the spec inside, guys, it is a full leather. Heated front seats, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, cruise control, speed limiter. It is a very sporty vehicle. It is only 3-door because GTCs only comes in 3-door. It's a 6-speed manual petrol version. It's a 1.4 turbocharged engine. It's only got 42,000 miles on the clock, and the car's up for 7,995.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.